Here we are, starting the day out with this Lamson Waterworks on a Temple Fork Blue Ribbon 4-weight. Got the floating line on there, indicator out there. We're about to work this section and see if we can't find some big fish. So hang on with me and let's see if we can get the net wet, get some good fish in the net, and try to enjoy this wonderful December day that is like probably 45, 50 right now. It was 21 this morning when I woke up. There we go. There's fish. I thought I felt something. Nothing real big, but first cast here in this area, first fish of the day. Let's go ahead and get it in the net. Oh, this feisty one here, it's got a little bit of an overbite kind of down there on the bottom lip. Look at that puppy. What a beaut though. That back fin is beautiful. Later, fish. All right, well, let's just keep going. There's fish. Oh, that's a beaut right there. Oh man. That is a beautiful fish. Shiny. Real pretty looking. Oh man. What a nice looking fish. Let's go ahead and let it relax for a second while I get my hands wet. Let's get a look at this puppy. If it'll calm down just enough to let us. Little bumpy chin. But man, almost flawless. Look at that. Wow. What a beautiful rainbow. Later. Man, that was a nice one. Okay. They want it slow as ever, like basically picking it up off the bottom. And there's basically no current here anyways. Like, it's almost zero in flow here. Another beautiful fish. These things are feisty, I'll tell you what. Get a little refresher there. Easy there. Easy there, beautiful. That is a nice looking fish. Wow. Later, girly. Alright, that makes 2 out of here today. Let's see if we can possibly get another one. There's some little ones jumping over here. Oh God, there we go. There's full size. Look at that one. It is a big one. Super feisty. Look at that fish. Just chilling. That water's cold. Later, buddy. Thank you for playing. What are you doing? Swimming around my feet. Off back to the deep. There we go. Stillwater Legends. Stripping bugs. 10, 6, 16. Oh, it's gonna be feisty and mean. Easy there. Look at that fish. What a beaut. Can't believe it. Chasing. Woo! No passive fishing over here. We aggressive. Let fall out some. Give a little movement, little fall out, little movement, little fall out, little movement. Ain't even gotta be big strips. Irregular is the best. Oh boy. There's the fish. That's a nice one. Woo! Man. Passive, aggressive. Man, 11, almost 7. So we'll say it's 17 and a half. You know, I'm gonna have to try better to look at this one. That one-handed kind of movement's not that beautiful. Hands are good and wet. Look at that puppy. Feisty. Oh man. Woo!